Let's talk about the AWS Glue Studio. This allows you to visually build an ETL pipeline. It is also known as the visual ETL. I'm not sure the confusion there because I didn't see when this service first came out, and so I don't know if it used to be called the visual ETL and now they're promoting it as Glue Studio, or if they're trying to downplay it as a feature of AWS Glue, but whichever way, just know that they're referred to as both. And this is, again, a visual tool for quickly building ETL pipelines. The pipelines aren't that complex, but it's very nice in AWS to have this here. The pipeline is composed of nodes. The nodes are represented, I'm just gonna get my pen tool out here for a second, as these things over here. So this is a node, and this is a node, and this is a node, okay? And you specify different kinds of nodes. So we have sources, which we see in the screenshot here. This is the data you plan to use. You have transforms. This is what you want to do with the data. You have targets. This is where you want to send the data. You can use version control in your pipeline. So notice up here it says version control, which allows you to connect it to AWS Code Commit or GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket. AWS Glue Studio is for visually preparing your glue jobs with little to no coding, okay? I just want to point this out. Here's the source right here. Here's the transform right here. Here's the target right here, okay? So let's look at the coding part of it because they have a little tab here where you can look at the script. And so basically it's outputting the script. So you don't have to use the visual ETL. You can just write Python code if you know how to, but this is a great way to get started. And then you could, if you need a more complex pipeline that the Glue Studio could not do, then I suppose you'd have to write your own Python code. So yeah, the visual ETL will produce it. You can download and execute it yourself, but basically I think you'd want AWS to execute it because it can do that. If you wanted to work with this yourself, then this is the library that it utilizes called AWS Glue Libs. If you're trying to understand how to build these programmatically, then this is where you would go to take a look, okay?